as you can see, I have a bunch of vegetables already chopped up. Onions, broccoli, tomato, and I have some bacon that I could put in as well. 4 eggs for my omelet, which I have right here. I'm going to take a butter knife like this, and I'm just gonna crack it like that, and open it up into the bowl. Easy crack so that no extra shells go in. Okay, so that is it. Add just a little bit of milk. So this much is plenty, about 1 tablespoon. Just like that. And about 2 tablespoons should be plenty. Alright. And the broccoli, because those take the longest to cook. I'm gonna mix those around with my spatula. And I'll leave them be for right now. And the tomatoes, a little bit. And yeah, we'll start putting in a little bit of bacon. Great. Perfect. Okay, so here is what the pan looks like for now. Pour that all around. Great. All right, so now I'm gonna do an important part, which I'm gonna take the side of it just like this, and I'm gonna lift up the side, and I'm gonna pour some of the omelet under. And I'm gonna do that with all 4 sides. Under, flip it over by tossing it into the air and flipping it like that. So, now would be a good time, if you want, to put some cheese on one side. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put 2 slices, just like this. Let me show you guys. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take my spatula and just flip the side over onto the cheese, like that. And this looks perfect. So I'm gonna split this into 2 portions. It's 2 eggs each. So let's put that on one plate. And put this on the other. And this looks absolutely amazing.